Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close.
Say hi lovers. So today my daughter, she's 1 year old. She's gonna be doing my makeup today. Now I got this idea, well, not really the idea, because like lots of YouTubers, their daughters do their makeup, but my friend Lex, if y'all don't follow her, if y'all don't subscribe to her, I'll leave that down in the description. I'm pretty sure she'll comment, so y'all go subscribe to her. She did this with her daughter Lonnie, and she did pretty good. She was focusing on her eyebrows, which I was like, yes, because Lyric, mommy's eyebrows, she loves to do her eyebrows, so I'm gonna need you to learn how to do my eyebrows, okay? All right. So yeah, she's gonna do my makeup today, and it's gonna look crazy. I'm gonna let her do until she's ready to be finished, because Lyric is that type that she's very independent. She doesn't really like to be babied or anything or told what to do. She just likes to do her own thing. So like she might get a little bored with this and ready to just go in her room and play, because she's just very independent. She just wants to do everything herself. So yeah, that's her. And let's just get straight into this so we can hurry the process up. You ready, Lily? Are you ready? Say yes. Thank you, baby. Say let's get started. You can say let's get started. No? Okay. So I have all of this makeup. It's just like some stuff just don't even match my skin. But she loves this palette. Every time I'm doing makeup or I open the door to my room, she goes for this. So I'm going to let her play with this. Lyric, are you ready? Come on. Yeah. You do mommy's eyebrows like this. Like this. Look. Ooh. You do mommy's eyebrows. Okay. You can put it on my face. That's fine. No, you don't put this in here. You do mommy's eyebrows. Eyebrows. Yeah. Good girl. I look beautiful. I don't think she's mastering the art of doing eyebrows like mommy. I don't think you're doing that. Yeah, eyebrows. Good girl. Do my eyebrows. You say you did good. She's counting. She's counting. She's giving me freckles. I see what you're doing there. I think my eyebrows are beautiful. Now Lyric loves to draw, as y'all can see. So I got her this, and she can draw on mommy's face. Is it working? It's nothing to dip with this. You just go like this. Yeah. Alright, you want to do mommy's eye? This, you gotta conceal. So you gotta go like, to make it look real pretty. Mommy can look pretty. Look at mommy's face. Do I look pretty? You need some more? Let mommy get you some more. There you go. There. Is that better? Yes. How do you guys think I look? How do you think Lyric is doing? Now I had to put my scarf on because my real hair is out and she's not putting this in my hair. Need some more? This tickles mommy. Oh, thank you. That's enough of that. Here, you want to do this? Your eyeshadow. Use this. What color? What color? Blue? Get blue. Blue? Okay, do your own colors then. I'm so sorry. I just thought the blue would match the blue liner that you did. Oh, we mixing colors. Close it. Put on mommy's face. Put on mommy's face. Yeah. Is it showing up? All right, put on mommy's eyes. What's with you in my nose? Close it, thank you. I have lipstick for you. Put it on mommy's eyes. Here, get a new color. Put it on mommy's eyes. Can you put on mommy's eyes? Can I help you? Can I help you? That's the color you like, pink? Here. Put on mommy's eyes. Put it on my eye. She wants to do her own thing, literally. She's not listening to a thing I'm saying. Put on my face. Ooh, let's get some blue. Blue? You're missing. Put it on mommy's eyes. Here. Here you go. You want mommy to do it? You got blue, you got green, you got pink. It's a rainbow on here. Here. You put this on mommy's lips. Yeah. I see the mess you made. You gotta put a little pressure. You need mommy help? Yeah, you have to put pressure. You gotta hold it a certain way. Here, you wanna do some more? She's getting a little out of hand now. She's trying to do a lot of body parts that's not part of my face. Can you put on mommy's eyes? Uh-oh. Are you all done? Oh, she's getting something else. Look. cheese. Do I look pretty? Yes! Do I look pretty? I look pretty? Yes? Does mommy look pretty? You did such an amazing job, beautiful. Say thank you. That is it, guys. I think she had more fun dipping the brush into all the colors and watching some of it go into the other colors. Because that's what she was doing. But like I said, she loves this palette and she always tries to get this palette. And it's the NYX like ultimate palette. I don't know what it's called. Ultimate. Yeah. It's the ultimate palette, NYX. And she loves it. So if you guys think she did a good job or a horrible job, I see some color up here. I could have did that, but maybe she did that. But she did a little bit. She did a little something, something. I had to help her with the lips, but that's okay. Now she's counting the tools down here. 8, she's on 8 right now. It's actually 7, I don't know. 1. 2. I should have shut my mouth because now she's not gonna continue counting. Anywho, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just something a little fun. I brought my daughter into it. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos with her, comment down below what other videos ideas with her I could do. And that's it. Lyric, you want to say bye-bye? Hello? She's counting now. She's doing all this counting. Ma'am, do you want to say bye-bye to those people up there? Say bye-bye. Bye. Go kiss them. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the street.